shopping spree haul. This is not a brag or anything. I'm really grateful and I appreciate. So let's get started. First, I got this. Oh my gosh. How did I cut this out? Okay. I got this cute sweater. So cute, and it's like really like soft from inside. And yeah, I just like it and it's cute. Second, that's a sweater. Second is I got this hoodie, and it says Adidas. It looks cute right here. So I went to the store. I tried out some clothes. So I don't know if like there's the clothes look like me. Like okay, I got this. Like I got this jeans. And it's so cute. I got this sweater. Like either kind of like a jacket or something like that. So cute. And I got this cheetah print pants. It's so cute. I wanted this so bad. I've been looking for this. It was in Zara, but I found it in a store and it was so cute. So might say this is George, I guess. So cute. And I would think it will match maybe with this. I think I tried it out already. Yeah, I did. So I got this blue short. Most of this I am gonna wear it for like school. I might do get ready with me for the first day of school or something like that. See, it's so cute. And to match with this, and I love this. This is a sweater that I got. So cute. Like says 19. My mom said like it looks like Georgia, kind of like reminds her of Georgia, kind of. Not like a pet or something, like Georgia, like a country. And I got this shirt. It's so cute. I think to match with this, either this. I'm gonna take this to church. Both of this to church. So yeah, it's so cute. I got this top. So cute. I could either take it to school and to church, either to maybe go Monday, not to school, but maybe for my brother's birthday. If not, that's okay. Okay, I got this pants and it's so cute. Either I could match with this Los Angeles shirt or this dog, and it's so cute. I got this because it was cute and I love it. And yeah, I like it. And this is like California shirt, stuff like that. Okay. This will be matching with something else. I really love this and it's so cute. I think either like today's Saturday, first day of school starts on Monday, so like in 3 days, 2 days, I don't know. I was scared to go to middle school. At least I got to see my friends there, but I hope you do not watch this because or else it's gonna be spoiling. Most of my friends know, like not my friends, like I don't go to different school, but I guess I stayed. And I got this sweater. It's so cute, and I really love it. I really want to take this to church and school because it's so cute. Might have something else. No, I think that's it. Yep, that's it. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna say this again. I'm gonna get ready for me for the first day of school. Either another shopping free, a day in my life, or play just impress with me. Something like this. So bye guys.